For any business, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment is essential for employees, customers, and daily operations. When your commercial air conditioning system performs efficiently, your business can operate without interruption. But when cooling problems arise, they can affect productivity, customer satisfaction, and energy costs. That's why businesses throughout Paoli, Pennsylvania trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning as their commercial air conditioning contractor. Our experienced team provides comprehensive commercial air conditioning services, including installation, repair, replacement, maintenance, and system upgrades. We service a wide range of commercial cooling systems designed to meet the unique needs of offices, retail spaces, restaurants, warehouses, and other facilities. Using professional diagnostics and industry-leading solutions, we help maximize efficiency, reliability, and system performance. Our goal is to create a comfortable indoor environment while helping reduce operating costs and unexpected downtime. Whether you need a new installation or ongoing maintenance, we provide customized solutions tailored to your business. The result is dependable comfort, improved efficiency, and peace of mind for your organization. Choose a trusted partner for all your commercial cooling needs. How do I know if my commercial AC system needs repair? Signs include uneven cooling, poor airflow, unusual noises, higher utility bills, frequent breakdowns, and inconsistent temperatures. How often should commercial AC systems be serviced? Commercial systems should generally be inspected and serviced at least twice a year to maintain efficiency and reliability. Can a commercial air conditioning contractor improve energy efficiency? Yes. Professional contractors can recommend upgrades, optimize system performance, and install energy-efficient equipment. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road No. 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.